If you're suffering from a chronic neck tension and the pain that doesn't get better with the stretching, massaging, heating pack, or ice pack, then this movement series is for you. And not only this will help you improve your neck pain and tension, this will help you understand your body and the better movement from the inside out so that you can help yourself and live your life more comfortably and confidently in the future. So let's get into today's movement retraining. So you're going to need a chair for this exercise today. And go ahead and sit on the front of the chair. So you're not leaning against the back rest of the chair. So go ahead and scoot yourself forward. And bend your legs. And so your heels, your feet are underneath your knees. Feet are butt, hips apart, shoulder width apart. So begin the movements and rolling the pelvis back and forth a few times and just to readjust your sitting posture and find somewhat neutral or the middle place. There. Okay, now you're ready to start the movements. So from the neutral position, your posture, and go ahead and put your hand on the opposite shoulder, the front of the shoulders, position over your arms, and depending on your comfort, you may lower your elbows down a little bit, just make an adjustment as you need. And go ahead and begin to bring your arms down, and bring your elbows and arms upward directions, down and up directions. And let your body kind of follow your arms. So it's not just the movement of your shoulders and your arms, but the movement of the whole spine. So I'm going to turn to the sideways so you can see how I am moving. So I'm rolling my pelvis back and I'm allowing my spine to round and allowing my head to kind of lower down a little bit. What I'm paying attention is the trying to distribute the movement evenly throughout the whole bodies. Your hips, your spine, and the neck and the head. It is easy to overwork and overstress the neck as you are moving and lifting your arms upward. So be careful not to overextend your neck. Even distribution of the movements. Right? So that you shouldn't, if you are moving and distributing effort evenly, perfectly evenly, then you really should not feel any strain and pain and discomfort in any part of your body. If you do, then that means that you are probably doing too much, moving too far, too much from that particular area. So just do that a few times and keep the movement fairly small at first because it is easy to overwork. And now change the plane of the motion. So go ahead and just turn your body towards the left knee and then doing the same up and down movements but along the diagonal plane of the motions. Use the whole body, rolling the pelvis, distributing the effort through the whole spine so that you don't feel any pain or strain in any part. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell. Thank you. A few times. And pay attention to your breathing too. Make sure you are not holding your breath. Why this movement is important, why this movement is going to help you with your neck, because oftentimes the lack of coordination, integration, and then you do overwork the neck muscles and the neck joints unevenly, and in that over time repetitive use will lead to stress and pain and so forth. Now let's change the directions. Now you turn your body towards the right knee and then doing rounding, arching the movement, coordinating the whole part. Do it slowly. You don't have to do it at the same speed as I am doing, but don't move faster than I am moving, so that would be too fast. All right, so remember, it is about integrating the whole spine, integrating your hips. It is about distributing the movement evenly throughout the whole body in order to improve your neck, in order to reduce the amount of the effort and the work through your neck, which is essential if you want to change your neck pain and tension forever, right? Stretching the muscles, not enough. All right, after you're done, let's check the movements again. Well, let's combine the two directions. So you're going along the diagonal and back to the middle, and then going to the opposite diagonal. It's more like a drawing, moving in a U shape, but in a three-dimensional way. And you probably notice the two directions are quite different. That's meant to be. Our body is not really symmetrical perfectly. So the movement is going to feel a little different going in one direction than the other directions. So you would expect that difference between the two sides. Don't worry too much about it. Breathing quality, it's not a stretching, so don't need to move big range, right? After you're done, stop and check movement of your neck, looking up and looking down and turning your head side to side, and notice how you feel. And hopefully your neck is feeling better. I want to let you know that you can join my free masterclass, Path to Comfort, Confidence, and Authenticity in Your Body. And this is an overview of my comprehensive movement course called Understanding How Your Body Moves Method. If you want to submit your application to this course, and you can do so in the masterclass. So I hope to see you inside the masterclass.